Amazon Prime Day is gone, but do you know that the deals are still here? And you don't have much time on hand to grab them? That's why today we have gathered 25 best tool deals that are still there for you. We know it's a bit late, but it's not over yet. Turn your Dewalt 20V batteries into a portable power hub that lets you charge phones, lights, and small tools anywhere. This inverter is compact and reliable, perfect for camping, tailgating, or job sites where an outlet isn't available. The Prime Day price drop from $38.99 to $31.19 makes it a great deal. All-in-one solution for home, garage, or workshop repairs, this massive kit includes sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, hex keys, and more. It keeps your projects on track with organized storage, now offered for Prime Day at $99.98, down from $125.99. Keep your ratchets, sockets, and wrenches neatly stacked and mobile with this VERSASTACK compatible set. Designed for mechanics on the go, it offers durable tools and efficient storage, now at an unbeatable Prime Day price of $99 from $199.99. This versatile 12V drill driver kit includes multiple attachments that make working in tight spaces easier. Lightweight yet powerful, it's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking flexibility and reliable performance. The Prime Day price dropped from $229 to $134.10. Ensure perfectly accurate angled and cross cuts on plywood, MDF, and other sheet goods with this adjustable angled track saw square. It locks securely in place to guide your cuts precisely. A huge help for cabinet making and panel work. The Prime Day discount brings it down from $59.99 to $43.99. Turn your drill into a powerful planting tool for bulbs, seedlings, and fence posts. This auger bit digs consistent, clean holes quickly, reducing back strain and speeding up gardening tasks. The Prime Day price is slashed from $29.99 to $22.96. This slim ratcheting wrench with magnetic tips helps you fasten bolts in tight spots without dropping screws. Its compact size and strong magnet make it perfect for furniture assembly, bike maintenance, and automotive work. Prime Day price dropped from $20.94 to $15.99. Perfect for engraving, sanding, carving, and polishing, this Rotary toolkit offers adjustable speeds and multiple accessories. Whether you're crafting, restoring, or DIYing, it provides versatile precision. Grab it at the Prime Day price of $37.99, down from $51.97. Cut through cardboard, fabric, and foam smoothly with this cordless electric cutter. It speeds up packing, crafting, and shipping prep by delivering clean, effortless cuts without manual fatigue. Now $35.99, down from $42.80 on Prime Day. Tackle tough automotive and workshop jobs with these heavy-duty deep-impact sockets, built to withstand high torque and repeated use. They're essential for mechanics and serious DIYers. Now available for $59.48, reduced from $84.99. This ultra-sharp Japanese pull saw is designed for clean, precise flush cuts on trim, dovetails, and fine joinery. Its pull-stroke cutting action offers better control and reduces tear-out, making it a must-have for woodworkers seeking accuracy and lightweight handling. Now at a special Prime Day deal. Get smooth and precise cuts on your woodworking and trim projects with these durable blades designed for miter and table saws. They maintain sharpness and reduce splintering, perfect for fine finish work. Prime Day savings bring the price down from $18.99 to $15.19. Create professional quality Ethernet cables with this pass-through crimp tool that ensures clean, consistent crimps. It's ideal for networking professionals and DIY installers looking to save time and improve cable reliability. Now priced at $27.16 for Prime Day, down from $34.59. This compact and well-organized socket and nut driver set is perfect for electronics repair and small mechanical projects. It fits into tight spaces and offers a variety of sizes for versatile use. Prime Day pricing reduces it from $40.99 to $31.15. Secure your workpieces firmly during drilling or sanding without marring surfaces thanks to the soft rubber jaws. Ideal for woodworking, crafts, and metalwork on your bench. This vise is now $26.24, down from $34.99. Keep your frames, boxes, and cabinets perfectly square while gluing or assembling with these sturdy corner clamps. They help ensure accurate, tight joints, essential for woodworking projects. Now $38.99, reduced from $54.99. Organize your screwdriver bits efficiently and quickly swap them during projects with this durable aluminum holder. It's perfect for furniture assembly, electronics repair, or mechanical work. Prime Day pricing lowers it from $20.99 to $15.85. Compact and versatile, this multi-tool knife is great for quick fixes, outdoor tasks, and everyday carry. Its small size fits easily in your pocket or toolkit, providing multiple functions in one handy device. Now $15.99, down from $19.99 on Prime Day. Enjoy cordless freedom while sanding furniture, cabinets, and crafts smoothly and efficiently. This Orbital sander offers consistent finishes without the hassle of cords getting in your way. Now priced $51.88, reduced from $66.99. Hold your woodworking or DIY projects steady during glue-ups and assembly with these reliable clamps. They offer firm pressure and quick adjustment, making project completion easier. Prime Day price down slightly from $29.99 to $28.49. Perfect for electronics repair, small appliance fixes, and hobby projects, this set includes multiple bits and accessories with cordless convenience. Its compact design and power make it versatile and user-friendly. Now $25.73, down from $44.99. Make automotive repairs and heavy fastening easier with this impact wrench, delivering powerful torque and fast bolt removal. It reduces strain and speeds up tough jobs. Prime Day discount brings it from $69.99 to $49.98. Carry and organize your tools on the go with this spacious and durable tool bag. Multiple pockets and rugged construction keep your gear protected and accessible, ideal for professionals and DIYers. Now $15.29, down from $19.99. Apply caulk smoothly and evenly with less hand fatigue using this electric caulking gun. It's perfect for windows, bathrooms, and trim work, offering consistent flow and control. Prime Day price down from $99.99 to $79.99. A professional-grade multi-tool for cutting, sanding, and scraping, this brushless cordless device offers low vibration and excellent control. Ideal for renovations and woodworking, it's an investment tool at a Prime Day price of $99, down from $169.99. So, if you found these Prime Day tool deals helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world tool breakdowns and deal alerts to save you money on your next upgrade. Let us know in the comments which deal you grabbed or what tools you want us to talk about next. Thanks for watching and happy Prime Day shopping!